welcome back to KMV Travel. I'm Kelly, and today we are checking out a room at the Anaheim Hotel. So this is literally steps from Disneyland, the park entrance. So a really great location, and we are staying in a standard room with 2 queen beds. So I'm going to show you guys it all. This is an exterior entry room. All of them will be in this hotel. And over to our left here is where the bathroom is. You have one sink, the toilet, and then a shower tub. Going back out from the bathroom, you do have a closet with a full-length mirror over here. And then you have your sleeping area. So like I said, this is 2 queen beds that we have. You are going to have a refrigerator here, your dresser drawers, and then your TV. You do have a coffee setup as well. And then this is going to be one that has a patio. So we actually have our own little patio out here with table, chairs, and a sun lounger, and then of course the umbrella there. So the best part about this resort is going to be that you are literally steps from Disneyland. You do have a nice pool over here, plus there is a lobby bar, and even a Topgolf little setup out here too. So lots of different things. You're super close, like I said. So this is a great option if you're looking for something that's a little bit more reasonably priced off property from Disneyland, but still within easy walking distance. If you have any questions about the Anaheim Hotel or any Disney planning questions, be sure to comment below, or of course, always feel free to reach out to us through the link in our bio and in the caption below. Our help is complimentary to plan your Disney vacation and other vacations, so be sure to reach out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, like I said, reach out, and we hope to see you again soon.